Kriti Sanon gears up for Aanand. Raise Tere Ishk mine with Dhanush, what we know so far. Kriti Sanon continues to make waves in 2024, now diving into the highly anticipated Tere Ishk mine, directed by Aanand. Rai, teaming up with Dhanush, Kriti is reportedly deep into her preparations for this unique romantic drama, which is set for release in 2025. Kriti Sanon and Dhanush reunite in a tale of passion. Following a stellar year, Kriti adds Tere Ishk mine to her impressive list of projects. This film pairs her with Dhanush, creating a buzz among fans. Eager to see their on-screen chemistry. Under Rai's direction, this collaboration promises an intriguing blend of emotions, drama, and romance. Initially set to begin production in October 2024, the film faced minor delays due to Dhanush's prior commitments but is now set for a 2025 release. With screenplay by Himanshu Sharma and Neeraj Yadav, and production under Color Yellow Productions, Tere Ishk mine is positioned as one of the must-watch films of 2025. A spiritual connection to Ranjana but a different story. Ranjana director Aanand. Rai has addressed comparisons between that iconic 2013 film and Tere Ishk mine. While both projects share familiar names, Dhanush, A.R. Rahman, Arshad Kamil, and Himanshu Sharma, Rai assured fans that Tere Ishk mine is distinct. It's an expansion, not an extension, Rai stated, explaining that while both films carry intense emotions, Tere Ishk mine will explore them from a different perspective. The film's teaser hinted at this connection with the line, Kundan and this boy are the same, but his mood is to blow up the world. Only for you, Tere Ishk mine. Exploring tragedy and growth in Rai's unique style. In a recent interview, Rai reflected on how Ranjana allowed him to explore tragedy and love in a raw, middle-class setting, a theme he revisits in Tere Ishk mine. I've grown since Ranjana, he shared, noting that this film will present his evolved understanding of love, relationships, and emotional intensity. He explained, the rage, passion, and powerful love we saw in Ranjana are very much present in Tere Ishk mine, though seen through a more mature lens. Dhanush's artistic evolution since Ranjana. With years of experience since Ranjana, Dhanush brings even greater depth to his performances. Rai praised Dhanush's artistic growth, noting, he was an incredible actor then, and now he's matured into a multi-talented artist. Even if the themes seem similar, his approach to this story will be fresh and evolved. Following their successful collaboration on Atrangi Re, Dhanush and Aanand. Rai are set to deliver another memorable experience in Tere Ishk mine, strengthening a partnership that has already garnered much acclaim. Stay tuned for updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments below. Your thoughts shape our content, and we're grateful for your continued support. Until next time, here's to more cinematic magic.